Now, the management of bronchiectasis. Now, students, you know the bronchiectasis is a chronic condition in which there is permanent dilatation of bronchi and bronchioles. So, the management of bronchiectasis is performed with appropriate systemic antibiotic therapy. Systemic antibiotic therapy, clearing of secretions from air passage, and improvement of general health, and also treatment of associated symptoms, that is with bronchodilators, expectorant, these may be required for some children. As management जो इसका है, that is performed with appropriate systemic antibiotic therapy, clearing of secretions from air passage, improvement of general health, and treatment of associated symptoms with bronchodilators and expectorants in some children. Associated medical conditions, for example, tuberculosis, that should be treated with antitubercular therapy. Also, surgical resection of the affected lobe may be needed. Now we will see the general principles of management. General principles include in management of bronchiectasis, इसके general principles जो है that includes general principles include reduction of mucus production from the damaged area of lung, General principles जो है that includes reduction of mucus production. Because of mucus production, there is obstruction in the bronchiole. When there gets obstruction in the bronchioles gets permanently dilated. So, main principle जो है इसका है general principle, that is there is reduction of mucus production from the damaged area of lung. Also, control of symptoms, improving quality of life, another important point is the prevention and prompt treatment of exacerbations. Another point is the preservation of lung function. And also prevention of secondary complication such as hemoptysis. These are the general principles for the management of bronchiectasis. General principles: firstly, this includes reduction of mucus production from the damaged area of the lung and also optimization of airway clearance. Bronchiectic area of the lung जो होता है that usually produce more mucus than affected area of the lung. So this excess production is increased by other insults including smoke, exposure and infection. Thus, other principles for treating bronchiectasis in children are control of symptoms, improving quality of life, prevention and prompt treatment of exacerbations, preservation of lung function, prevention of secondary complications such as hemoptysis. These are the general principles in the management. To achieve these mentioned principles, appropriate use of antibiotic and airway clearance technique, appropriate use of antibiotics, appropriate use of antibiotics and airway clearance techniques may be used, as well as attention of the general aspects of chronic management. Also, जो children होते हैं with wet cough, that should be treated with a course of children with wet cough. That should be also treated with a course of antibiotic, which should be repeated if necessary. Antibiotics. Also, management strategy includes smoking cessation. There are some strategies management that includes smoking cessation, vaccination, and medication. These are the management strategies. These includes क्या क्या आता है इसमें? Smoking cessation, vaccination, and medication. In smoking cessation, while active smoking, there may be seen in some adolescents. Adolescents में क्या होता है? They usually smoke and they need direct attention with bronchiectasis. While there may be secondary smoke exposure in the households when there are parents smoking, so the child also gets infected. This also needs quite attention. This is included in the smoking cessation. So parents should and also guardians referral to adult services for access to smoking cessation services should be encouraged. Vaccination, it is recommended. Vaccination जो है that is recommended that all patients with bronchiectasis have regular influenza and pneumococcal vaccination. Vaccination is recommended. All patients that is having bronchiectasis and have regular influenza and pneumococcal vaccination. इसमें क्या करना होता है? There is provision of quadrivalent influenza vaccine. Quadrivalent influenza vaccine. Quadrivalent influenza vaccine जो है, it is significant bronchitis given to patient with significant bronchitis. Another strategy is the medication. In medication, it includes antibiotics. Antibiotics जो है that is based on regular assessment of the airway microbiology. Also bronchodilators. Bronchodilators जो है that responds in pulmonary function. Pulmonary function. Also corticosteroids. While corticosteroids हम किन में देते हैं? While some conditions जो होते हैं that resulting in bronchitis may respond to steroid treatment, including oral steroid therapy. Also, mucoactive agents. This improves airway clearance by regular inhalation of mucolytic agents. But this is the main strategy of treatment of management, that is smoking cessation, vaccination. Vaccination जो है इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? इन्फ्लुएंजा एंड pneumococcal वैक्सीनेशन में हम दिया जाता है, प्रेफर किया जाता है, मोस्टली क्या दिया जाता है? क्वाड्रावैलेंट इन्फ्लुएंजा, ये उन पेशेंट्स में दिया जाता है who are having bronchiectasis. Medication में हम क्या देते हैं? Another strategy is the medication. In medication, antibiotics are given to the patient, bronchodilators are given, corticosteroids are given, and mucoactive agents are given to the patient. But in some cases, surgery may be considered. Surgery may be considered in some patients. When there is localized disease that have not responded to the treatment, there is localized disease and have not responded to the treatment. Also, to remove an obstructing tumor, surgery is required. In severe cases, किन में सर्जरी की जाती है? Lung transplantation may be considered. Surgery is considered in some patients in which there is localized disease, but that disease is not responded to the local treatment, so surgery is required. Or when there is tumor obstructing the bronchi and bronchioles, to remove that tumor, surgery is required. In severe cases, lung transplantation may be considered. But in surgical management, which surgery is given, which surgery is performed? The surgery which is performed, that is segmental resection, lobectomy, and pneumonectomy. These are the surgeries that are performed in bronchiectasis. Segmental resection में क्या किया जाता है? जो ये diseased segment of a lobe होता है, that is removed. Diseased segment of lobe is removed. That is known as segmental resection. In lobectomy, जो diseased lobe होता है, that is removed. And in pneumonectomy, the entire diseased lung segment is removed. Entire diseased lung segment is removed. But this happens rarely. Remember, ज़्यादातर नहीं होता. This happens rarely. This is the surgical management of bronchiectasis. In surgical management, segmental resection is done, lobectomy is done, and pneumonectomy is done. This is the management of bronchiectasis. Thank you.